Hey grillers, I'm Brad with BBGrillShack. Today I'm going to be answering the question, what is a drum smoker and how does it work? There are a lot of brands of drum smokers out there, such as the Weber Smoky Mountain or the Pit Barrel Cooker. Today I'm using my Frenetto Basso. A drum smoker, vertical charcoal smoker, or bullet smoker are all the same thing. Basically what they are is a vertical cylindrical tube that has a fire at the bottom, a shelf or multiple shelves for smoking and cooking, and a vent at the top. In a lot of ways, a drum smoker acts a lot like a charcoal chimney. Air comes in through the bottom, ignites a fire at the base, goes up through the shelves, and then leaves through the top, creating a nice thermodynamic cycle where the air at the top leaving actually sucks new air into the bottom. This is the fire grate where you build a fire. Down here are 3 vents where air will enter the fire, adding oxygen to the fire and bringing smoke up to the top. The next level of a typical drum smoker has a water pan, which is used to deflect heat and also hold water to retain heat and create some humidity in the smoker. There's also usually a grate, the first grate, or shelf here that you can smoke meats on. Usually the lower shelf is going to be the hotter shelf in a drum smoker. The next layer of a drum smoker is your top cooking shelf. This is going to be the cooler shelf usually in a drum smoker, where smoke is going to come up here, circle around the coned top, and then come out of the vent. On the very top, we have a domed lid with a vent that lets the exhaust come out. So as a recap, air enters the bottom vent of the smoker, ignites a fire, and the radiant heat is blocked by the water pan. Convective heat and smoke is allowed to pass the water pan, creating a system similar to a convection oven in the top of the smoker. The heated air inside the smoker is less dense than the outside air. This allows the outside air to push in through the bottom vents and keep the cycle going. Kamado and kettle grills work off of these same principles. They're just not as tall. So think of the same process, just in a smaller container. If you guys haven't checked out my how to use a smoker video, go ahead and check it out. I use this drum smoker and show you how to light a fire, get it up to temperature, and cook some meat. Hopefully you learned something about what exactly a drum smoker is, how it's used, and if you have any more questions, leave them below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for checking out this video. I come out with new videos every Thursday, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next Thursday. Oh, now I need to get some B-rolls of me flexing. Or maybe B-roll of me doing this one.